pliers? Who's got the pliers?
I think so, I do, got it.
So Anthony, what were you doing?
Who's got the pliers?
Fixing the gate.
So what's that tool? What is it called?
It's called fence straight.
Fence straight.
Well done. So what is it used for?
Make it fence straight. Sorry, miss.
Is it to straighten it or is it to tighten it?
It's to
for tighten.
tighten the fence so we can make it straight.
Thank you.
How's my use?
What do you call this thing that you're holding there?
Gripple.
It's a gripple. Very good. What is it used for?
Joining them wire.
Yeah, to join the wires. Okay, well done. Thank you.
These end bits, we wind them off for
Join
two
them.
reasons.
Join
First off, that if this ever breaks, it's still held. But the main thing is it stops the animals getting their eyes choked out.
I forget.
So what are you doing there, Noah?
Taking them wire.
Is that the wire?
Stapler.
Staple.
Staple.
Look at that. So, and then what do you do with it?
Pick it up and take it. I don't know. Up there. Put it up there.
So why do you have to? Why is it important that you pick it up?
Because you don't want to see her foot getting affected.
So what is Mr. Roos doing? What do we call that black thing there?
Sure, like.
What is it used for?
Stops electricity getting to the post.
Henry, here you go. Can you remove that one? Underneath that, to pull it. Great. Just put it down.
Done, guys. Get up.
Okay guys, what are we doing this afternoon?
We are waiting.
We are weeding.
Try your hardest to get the roots out, not just the green stuff on top.
Right now?
Yeah.
Hold it. Right. Keep going. Yep, there we go.
Right here, coming. Hey.
Just a little bit more. Yep, that's it. Hey Mos, what did you do?
I don't do nothing else him.
Well, somebody drove a wire into a tire.
Frank, what are you doing?
What am I doing? So we had the wire stuck in the wheel. We then use, I don't know what the tools are called. We call that a file. A what? File something. You just make sure that they're always nice and open. You give it a couple of times. Then you get these little ropes. That's very sticky. Goes through the eye of this tool. That opens up at the end. So once I've pushed it in and I pull it back, the wire will stay behind. And then you use a little bit of, I use grease just because that's what's available, otherwise Vaseline or anything like that. And then when Joken is ready, he'll pump it up and we should be good to go again. You want to feel? Not feel?
I want to feel it.
Okay. Oh.
Brendan Franzoni.
Where did you grow up?
I grew up in the southeastern suburbs of Melbourne in Victoria.
What culture or community do you belong to?
My father's background is Italian, he's from Italy, and my mum was born in Australia. I have a mix of Italian background and Australian background.
What is something important or interesting about you?
Probably the number one thing for me is being a Christian and having a relationship with God and following Him, because that impacts everything about me and who I am.
Did you face any challenges when you were young?
Yes, my father died when I was just 8 years old, so that was a challenge, and just some other family members passing away was hard. Yeah.
What important events have happened in your life?
Well, meeting my lovely wife, Fiona, when I was doing university in Bendigo, and I actually met her at church, and then of course the birth of our 4 children.
What jobs, roles, or responsibility have you had?
My first job when I finished university was selling perfume to ladies. Okay, and then of course I became a teacher and worked as a teacher for many years.
What challenges have you overcome?
I think again, just having close people pass away is probably the greatest thing, you know, or hardest challenges, I think.
What are you most proud of?
What am I most happy about, I guess? I think the fact that I've continued my Christian walk, certainly my family, especially the kids, I'm very proud, I guess, of them. But also the fact that, you know, being involved in Wongutha for so long and seeing all the wonderful young people that have come through here and the relationships that I've made, not only with students but with family, has been a really special thing to me.
What are your hopes for the future?
My hopes for the future would be to see, again, as many students of Wongutha live a life for Jesus. And same with my family members, to see as many of them live for Jesus.
What advice would you give to young people?
Turn to God. Surrender. Surrender to the things that are not helpful to you, and lean in and to choose Him and all things that are good